Prepositions is essential for effective communication in spoken English, as they contribute to clarity, precision, and grammatical accuracy. Number 1.
Choose the correct answer.
Don't stand in front of the television. I can't see. Number 2.
Choose the correct answer.
Come and sit beside me so that I can hear you better. Number 3.
Choose the correct answer.
From the plane we could see people in the fields below us. Number 4.
Choose the correct answer.
You'll have to turn round to see it. It's behind you. Number 5.
Choose the correct answer.
The dead man was lying on the ground. Number 6.
Choose the correct answer.
Careful you don't scratch the table. Better put a cloth over it. Number 7.
Choose the correct answer.
It's dark where the road goes under a railway bridge. Number 8.
Choose the correct answer.
He looked up at the ceiling above him. Number 9.
Choose the correct answer.
You can sit on that chair. Nobody is sitting there. Number 10.
Choose the correct answer.
The police car came first. The president was in the car behind it. The prepositions are essential for conveying precise meaning in English sentences. Prepositions play a crucial role in indicating relationships between different elements of speech. Understanding and using prepositions correctly contribute to clear and effective communication. Mastering prepositions enhances fluency and grammatical accuracy in spoken English. Correct use of prepositions ensures that the intended message is accurately conveyed. Prepositions are integral to idiomatic expressions and phrasal verbs in English. Proficiency in using prepositions demonstrates competence in English grammar and syntax. Prepositions help establish the context and clarify the meaning of sentences. Using prepositions accurately contributes to naturalness and fluency in spoken English. Practice and familiarity with prepositions improve one's ability to express ideas clearly in speech.